Hey, Awesomes again. After I got done with the video for the course for week one course review, I thought of a few more things I just wanted to pass along to you real quick and let you know. First one being, all right, so this is our link. All right, so we've got week one and underneath projects 1A, 1B. So before you freak out about 1A, 1B, we'll be back to talk about 1A, 1B specifically, but I just want to lay the foundation here initially, okay? So read the Kramer and Barnhart, right? Read chapter one. Let's lay the foundation of what technical communication. We need to get an idea of the text design principles that we're going to use before we talk about putting together a resume, because I want to look at that in a kind of a different way. So bear with me there. I just want you to think about doing these other things first. Now, so we got week one resources, overview, et cetera, that we went over in the last video, talked about Kramer and Barnhart. And then here's where, of course, I showed you that it was also linked right there for your discussion. It's also linked right here for you to add, put in your discussion as well. And that's kind of wanted to talk about for a quick second. If you haven't done a discussion on Canvas yet, or this is your first time or whatever, just give it your best shot. If you run into any issues, just please let me know. Okay. We're going to, if you don't get it in Friday night at 11:59, you're struggling with some, any issues or whatever you come up with, just let me know and just get it posted as soon as you are able to. And we'll it's kind of like a test run, if you will, kind of over the weekend to kind of get into the rhythm and the flow of making and participating in these discussions and kind of how it works on Canvas if you haven't done it before. If you've done it before, then you're probably thinking, okay, this is all good. I got this. All right. So either way, it's just all good. And like I said, I'll be back to talk about projects 1A and 1B specifically, but we need to lay this foundation of these text design principles, what technical communication is. And once you guys have responded and I get a chance to read over your stuff, I'll be back on Monday or Tuesday. Recall Monday's a holiday, so probably Tuesday, we'll talk about what you said, and we'll dive into the text a little bit more, and then we'll start talking very specifically about projects 1A, very specifically, and we'll start to talk about project 1B, although it's not due till the end of the semester, because project 1B is our digital portfolio. So all the work that we're doing throughout the semester, we're going to be putting in there. So we'll get it all set. And then I'm not sure if I had brought this to your attention yet or not, but projects 2A and 2B are posted here for you. I added project 3. I think I did that either Monday night or Tuesday morning, so I know that one's fairly new if you haven't seen that one yet. And project 4. So this kind of gives you all the foundation. I do want to draw your attention to that projects 2 and projects 3 are collaborative. So we're going to be working in groups once we're done with project 1A, and we began we started project 1B, I think it is, right? Putting our digital career portfolio together. Then we're going to be working in groups, all right? And we'll select groups towards the end of Unit 1 here in about 3 or 4 weeks. And then we'll do project 2A, 2B in that group, and then we'll continue in that group and work with project 3, all right? So, and we'll do hopefully you'll find the activities fun to find people that we might want to be in the group with, and we want to do this hopefully on shared interest, things that we're interested in that would work for projects 2A, 2B, and even work for project 3. And so we'll have one weekend where we just use the discussion board post to find out what everyone's interested in, and then we'll start to group up that way. Okay. All right, guys. I hope that the rest of your week continues awesome. And I hope that your first week back in classes is going well. And I hope more than anything that you're staying safe. All right. So you guys stay awesome. We'll talk again real soon. Do not hesitate to reach out to me if there's anything I can do for you. Bye, guys.